What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Big Bro and Little Sis Reacts. I'm Tamaj, and this is Taya.
Hi.
And today we are reacting to Black Lightning Episode 4, Lynn's Ouroboros, or something like that. Ouroboros. Last episode, Jen was coerced into blowing up this facility for Odell. So we want to see what consequences that has. Lynn and Jeff were let out after he got a new suit and a watch. And he was told lies by Odell about what his mission actually was. They were trying to capture Helga Jace. Khalil's been made into a weapon. He's been practicing every form of fighting there is possible. And he's went and whooped some ass and murdered people and just a mess. Anissa, she found Grace and was reconnecting with her and, you know, doing her activities as Thunder. Meanwhile, Henderson, he's still struggling to get things back in order. People are losing faith in him and people are getting sick. There's diseases going around. Lynn's trying to solve that. It's a mess.
People are dying.
We're going to see what this episode has in store for us. They're arresting Tavion in that comic strip. What Tavion do?
Lab log day 6. Fatalities from the metavirus with Ebola properties continue to grow.
I think he did green light.
As the foremost medical expert on metahumans, people are counting on me, and I'm failing.
I think that was hard to tell.
I think he did, that's my guess.
And I'm so tired.
Oh, poor Lynn. She's been working tirelessly. And she hates seeing people die. Yeah.
All I know is the chemical structure of the metavirus is similar to a chemical compound found in both green light and the metavaccine. Call it fatigue, but I find myself staring at the green light, wanting to ask it questions.
Poor Lynn.
Then something occurred to me. Without exception, green light patients have shown a notable boost in brain activity. So in theory, if I was able to remove the drug's psychoactive addictive properties, rendering it safe for consumption, I could literally make myself smarter.
What? Yourself?
I used a technique on green light similar to what's used to extract THC from marijuana. I tested it on myself.
What?
In micro doses, but the results left no doubt. A significant increase in focus plus exponential gains in my ability to process information.
Lynn, no.
It's working. So I am working
know the
around the clock.
consequences of
Because
this.
if I can't contain this outbreak, every single meta, including my entire family, could die.
She's, oh my God. She's acting out of desperation and tiredness, and that is not a good state to be in. And who is she telling this to? She just exposed her whole family. I mean, I know Odell and the ASA know, but I don't know who's gonna see this. I know that this city is heartbreaking to Jeff. That car is clean though. They already didn't shot people. Jeffy did. I know he wanted to do something, but
You're overreacting.
he used to protecting his people.
I want blue eyes. That's not fair.
They just want their city back.
You? Welcome to the occupation.
I gotta stay that way until I know who tried to kill me.
Oh, I forgot he's
How about
pretending
you?
to
How
be
do you
dead.
feel? Any residual effects from the assay testing?
But he didn't fix it.
She could see the same from my marriage. Butting heads over how to deal with the ASA. You know, I couldn't wait to leave the pit. Lynn is going voluntarily, even though they're blindfolding her and driving her in and out.
It's painful. I'll check out your suit. Set up a tracking system to find the pit.
I wanted to hear
You
the
figure out how to get back on the same page with Lynn.
Lynn, oh, she on another book. Let alone same page, same chapter, same book. No, we tired of you, dude.
Really?
We keep this line of
Stop
communication
showing up
open.
blue eyes.
Can I ask you a question? Like, for real? As a head honcho in charge around here, why don't you just put an end to this occupation?
Because the Markovians killed my people.
That's not a reason to start snatching people up and locking them in camps.
They put people with the metagene in camps to keep them alive. The Markovians put people in camps to watch them die.
How do I even know that's true?
Facts.
Every search engine gets blocked by all your stupid internet restrictions.
Jen asking them
Everything
more
like
questions.
Encrypted, of course. Then you can see exactly what it is we're up against.
They going violent.
Yeah.
Real quick. They just want their city back, honestly, and I don't blame them. But
No, but they're the local
just
drug dealers. They're just looking for stuff to sell.
True, but
They probably-
that doesn't mean they still don't want their city back. They don't want all these cops.
Well, of course. I'm sure they all do. But those people in the beginning that had those guns, it's because of him. He is going around robbing people. Well, not robbing people. Robbing the ASA, taking their military weapons and arming the people. Well, he's making them buy it because they still got to make a profit.
Right.
Under probably Lala's orders.
Mm-hmm.
Because, you know, he running the show.
Especially after they see him.
Unless he's doing his own separate thing. Because Lala took over his old organization after he tried to kill him. So
Expanded.
Maybe he's just doing his own thing and arming the people. Because he sure wasn't acting tough the other episode.
When he came back from the dead, he's like, "Now let's see you try."
I know, that was one of my favorite lines. The dialogue in Black Lightning is really good. The only thing I don't like is they keep adding music all over the fight scenes. That's kind of...
I don't know. I love music.
I love music too, but over every fight scene, I don't know.
I feel like they just need one fight scene to be silent. Like this really serious one.
Like, they can have their
Silent,
normal
and then
action
have, like,
music
a
and stuff.
heartbeat.
Like, they can do their normal, like, score, but, like, it doesn't have to be a full song. That's just me, though. This
Those who test positive will be taken to an ASA detainment facility and forced to submit to medical procedures.
This is how they gonna get Latavius. Yeah.
What's up, man? You getting in line, right?
He and Meta.
Already got mine. I'll catch you later, though, alright?
Yeah, all right.
Clear space.
Here you go.
Is that Jen's fight? Watch it be Jen's fight.
Yeah.
You cool?
Oh, Thunder. Oh, Blackbird.
Yeah.
Thunder in the tank. Ooh. He gonna get her ass.
Yeah.
He gonna have some words for her.
He knows that sound.
Good class.
He gonna have some
Mr.
words.
Pierce, a word?
Laurie.
That's why I get to class.
Yes, about that. During your ASA-approved medical leave, Mrs. Wellen was permanently assigned your classes.
Permanently.
You can't do that.
I didn't. The ASA did.
So where's his job?
After 30 days of being poked and prodded and taking every test under the sun, this is the thanks I get.
Oh, I'm not finished. You've been made our new guidance counselor. Congrats. Now, what I find most puzzling, as part of this demotion, the ASA also gave you a raise, a nicer office, and a lot less work.
Okay, that's
Based on
like...
that, I'm gonna assume you must have done really well on those tests.
Why you hating? Damn, never want to see a brother do good.
Right.
Come on, Larry. We supposed to leave the hate in the last season when he let you be principal.
At some point, death comes
Well,
for
he
us all.
forgave you.
I want you continue to do as instructed, or I'll put your daughters in the pit. Run tests on them,
You don't want to threaten them.
just like all
You wouldn't even
You
get
do
your hands
not want to threaten them because they will tear this city down.
on real quick.
Listen.
0-100.
They don't want to go against Thunder, Black Lightning, and Lightning. I don't know how this is gonna go down. I want to know. And Gamby and Lynn's shotgun. Y'all don't want that. It's not the shotgun.
What was that? It looked like gold paint.
He's gonna be able to see their tire tracks where they drive to.
They got me out there talking like I'm
Talking as the chief of police.
How the hell are we supposed to do our job, huh? What you expect us to do?
You can start by clearing out your office. I'll be using it for the duration. And
Y'all
as
bastards.
always, Chief Henderson, we appreciate your cooperation.
Y'all ain't gonna have nobody's cooperation after long.
First of all, I want some proof.
I'm getting irritated.
Second of all, why is you just going in there? Back up.
This season is good, but it's irritating.
Real irritating.
Currently, no aid has been allowed in entry. This is a very violent and incendiary situation.
Why he trying to coerce her into making her feel bad? We don't even know if that's even them. That could be for something random from some other place.
Closest thing I ever had to policy.
He's trying to get her emotional so that she'll fight for him. Y'all can do what he says without question.
Yeah.
38 years ago. I still can't believe I'm dying.
Hey, don't give up on me, okay? Because I'm not giving up on you.
This disease is tearing at their flesh. This is horrible. She getting stressed with every person she talked to. Popping pills is never the way, y'all.
Oh, I ain't got no beef with you.
Then I suggest you leave.
And that's nice, because she usually rob y'all. Who she want?
You can't be using my name and symbol and then you go off shooting up ASA checkpoints.
I don't take orders from you.
Your boss did not approve of that, and you're lucky the result was just getting locked up. It could have been killed. By any means necessary. Don't go quoting Malcolm me.
You don't like the way we're doing things. Talk to the boss.
Oh, I plan to.
She knows about Blackbird? A person I've never met.
Look, she only knows about me, I swear.
Thundertune. You have put our entire family in danger.
Dad, I trust Grace with my life.
Oh, until you throw her out of your bed and find someone else.
Okay, I don't know where any of this is coming from, but I'm not going to stand here and be yelled at by you or anyone else.
Well, what, is you Blackbird now? Running around? Showing off? Throwing tanks? Oh!
He been holding that
Helping
in.
people. It's never been enough for you. No, you gotta be famous. Live in a fancy loft. Paid with
That's not what she's
the
doing.
drug money, I take it. Running around, spraying that ridiculous logo all over town.
So what, are you jealous? And that logo, that's not even me. That's the insurgents using me to inspire hope. You know something Black Lightning used to do?
Do you have any idea what I've been through for the city?
What's wrong?
Don't hurt us. Please don't. Grace,
What?
it's okay. He's not gonna hurt you or me. I promise.
What just happened? Why did she turn into a kid?
That was hallucination.
You need to leave now.
Anissa.
Dad, no, listen to me. This is my house. And right now,
You just came
you're not
here.
welcome.
And you just...
Leave.
She at odds with everybody. She better... I like Anissa. She's my favorite character, but she gonna have to get it together because this ain't it. The way she been acting this season, she's been really,
Acts like an operating system.
really aggressive. She's been burning bridges really a lot. And I don't even think, I think honestly she's in over her head. She's trying to be a city's hero but she's a vigilante, but a hero to the people because
feel like they're
vigilante is the only thing that's going to save them right now. She doesn't even know the full extent of what Grace is going through. She's just been
And she
very...
just told her everything. But I also don't like how Jeff just came in her house and started yelling at her. First of all, just talk to her like a normal person.
But you also have to remember, he's a parent. He's a dad. Dads aren't...
Okay, but that's not his house. That's her house.
But does my
They're just
mom
going
is
somewhere
disciplining
else.
you? Is she quiet about it? Have you ever seen anybody's parents quiet about it when they're disciplining
Okay.
their child?
But just try to like understand first instead of just...
Yeah, but when you don't approve of what somebody's doing, you're not going to be all hush-hush and nice about it. But Anissa, she's been always like this. She's always been like this. Anytime he goes and confronts her about something, she gets mad and she breaks off. Those two are very at odds. They're always at odds with each other a lot.
It's kind hearted.
See, this is the Anissa we know, not that hyper-aggressive mess. Lynn, everybody been acting out of character.
Hey.
Like, they just not been themselves.
Wow, I haven't
Except
seen
Jeff.
you office
Jeff's the
guy
only one.
since med school.
It's exactly the warm welcome I was hoping for. Just here for a few minutes to grab some things I have to get back on synthesizing a vaccine.
What?
Lynn.
Wait, what?
Oh
You
my
gonna see
god.
her again tonight? Oh, baby, we need to talk.
I have to get back.
I just think
The
that
pills. She gonna pass out.
on the same page. But our girls need us.
Yeah, stop taking the
Anissa is
pills.
tripping big time, and Jennifer seems to think that the ASA occupation is actually a good thing.
His family's falling apart. They are a mess.
Again with the two. When I want you to speak, I'll ask you a question. That pain that you're feeling, it's neurotoxins. I can administer at varying levels of intensity. This was a small dose. Now, the longer that this process takes, the higher that dosage will become, until you fall into paralysis. Any of this information isn't good. I'll find you 2 weak-minded cowards, and I will torture you every day for a year before I kill you.
Hey, y'all better make sure he got every
I
detail.
promise.
Stop talking. If he walking away, stop talking.
Did I ask you a question?
It was him. It was him.
Y'all lucky that's all he did.
For now.
And I would have smacked him when I woke up. Just for talking. Shouldn't have said nothing.
Step aside. There's been a report of metahuman powers being displayed.
What? Nah, that's not true. That's not
You
true.
get your hands.
That's not true.
Ooh. I mean, I've been waiting for that moment, but he in the right this time.
He is.
I've been waiting for somebody to bust him in his mouth.
Wait.
But they ain't, that ain't right.
What do you think of you peacekeepers now?
Sorry, Jim, but them is the facts. They are not good for y'all.
They no good. Y'all was better off before they came. They
He-
did nothing but cause any
He
more
took
problems.
the back of that gun and said, "Mom." Ooh, he lucky he still got his teeth in his mouth. I mean, I've been waiting for somebody to do that, but this was not the right time for that. Dang, he gonna
I
remember
wanted
that
them
one.
to do that a while ago, but right now, I don't know about right now. Right now, I would. He has no right to take him.
I think Jen's gonna end up saving him. She's gonna go talk to Odell, and Odell's gonna be like, "Oh, I want a favor. I'll release your friend if you do
such
this,
and
this, and this."
such,
Yeah.
and that, and that. And she'll probably do it.
To save him.
And then he'll start using her.
But these ASA, they gotta go. Please don't tell me this is a season-long thing, because I do not want to be irritated all season. I do not like these people. Not at all.
Who does, honestly?
She gonna take another pill. Because she gonna think she ain't smart enough. Oh, it worked. It worked.
It looks like you're gonna be able to walk your daughter down the aisle after all.
She did it. Okay.
Hey, watch.
It was worth
I
everything
want to
that.
show you this. I was able to put a radioactive resin on the tires of several ASA vehicles. This will allow us to...
Black Lightning's back.
Jeff,
No, we just need a black
what about your
lady.
family? Odell was very clear.
About time we take a
People on the
stand.
street, they go in the pit.
Wait. Maybe there's a better way.
Blackbird, black
But I'm gonna need a little help.
About time we take a stand in Freeland. Yes.
Need to get to work. Whatever you have to say to me, we can say
Black
it.
Lightning and Thunder.
Whoa.
Not Blackbird. Thunder.
Just hear me out. Now, I know I'm not your favorite person at the moment, and I'm not saying I agree with all your choices.
I'm not asking you to.
Oh, look.
Oh yeah, Thunder gonna teach her a lesson.
Please do, real quick.
Oh, I'm Black. Okay, Black Lightning is there.
Hi.
Okay, I'm in.
Been waiting on you.
Can you see what we're up against? There. Follow that around to your left.
Put his ass right in the chair.
Do that.
Cells are on your right.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Major.
Say goodnight.
Yeah, get her ass.
Thank you.
Woo.
Say goodnight to you.
Wait for her to get hit. All episode.
Olay's new Retinol 24 faced the competition and rose above.
But wait for her ass to get hit. Because she got a smart
For
mouth.
a long time. Talking all that crap. Look at you now.
That's what I'm
Adore
talking
on
about.
top of
Finally,
you.
we got to stand up in Freeland. I've been waiting for something all episode. I've been irritated all episode. About time we got something.
Throwing out the knives at the wall all episode. Irritated. Mad.
Yes. So I wonder how Odell's going to respond to this. But now they got to take these kids in hiding, so I wonder if he's going to have...
He's about to create another lie. Start to believe it, too.
Yeah, I think he's going to have Anissa take them out like the Harriet Tubman under the Underground Railroad.
Wait, what?
He's going to use their Underground Railroad
Oh.
to get them out. Or they're just going to put them in hiding. I don't know. We'll see.
What you gonna do? Arrest me?
You got the wrong
guy.
guy.
When they want someone arrested, they call me when they want someone gone.
Simple as that.
See this. Everybody gets one. This was yours. Be certain it never happens again.
I wouldn't count on that.
Well, looks like we've arrived.
The results have been nothing
So we
short of
found the pet.
remarkable.
Okay.
Every person who was infected is on their way to making a full recovery.
A job well done, Dr. Stewart. You certainly earned a good night's sleep, and apologies it can't be longer, but you're needed here.
Well, did something happen?
While your focus has been on the metavirus, several green light and vaccine kids have grown unstable.
Why wasn't I informed?
Get some rest, Dr. Stewart.
No, not while people's lives are at risk. Send a car, bring me in.
Very well, Dr. Stewart. I applaud and appreciate your commitment to the greater
She looks so tired and drained.
Goodbye.
She's hooked.
She doesn't realize yet, but yes.
What y'all do to
She
Lynn?
thinks it's her idea. You're a genius.
What?
Not really. I only saw to it that she got a taste of the most addictive substance on earth.
This dirty motherfucker.
Take green light, flashing too fast for her to be
This
conscious.
dirty motherfucker, y'all. This dirty bastard.
This is good.
What did he put her green light
Sir,
in her?
it's Jennifer Pierce.
Not a green light, but it's like an addictive substance in her wine. It was just a start. This dirty motherfucker, y'all. Y'all.
Light your ass up. This place might creep me out.
You saw the encrypted link, I presume?
Yeah, and I kind of wish I hadn't.
He's playing everybody.
Did all that stuff really happen here?
Not if I can help them, I can. Ideally with your assistance. You have the ability to do things your father could never do, Miss Pierce.
Things like what?
I asked you to meet me here because I thought it'd be easier to show you. In that bag, you'll find a perfect copy of your suit, and I want you to put this in your ear.
And then what?
Fly straight up until it beeps.
We don't trust anything you
Wait, what
do.
about the perimeter?
Already accounted for.
Is she in space?
What's going on?
He got her in space. What in the entire fuck?
World. What's going on? He just did everybody wrong.
Fuck,
So he
like,
put
got
some
me
like
stressed, y'all.
substance around her cup.
No, he put it in the wine originally. That was just the gateway drug to get her body started on it. And so then now
What's around the cup?
Nothing's around the cup.
He
It's-
sprayed something around the cup.
Oh, I don't know. But I don't know. Maybe I wasn't paying attention because I was so irritated. But whatever it is, she got hooked on the from the wine or whatever he sprayed, and now she's thought she was creating something to keep her awake, but it's really just a drug that they basically predicted she thinks she would make to help herself stay awake, to help herself get smarter, and now she's addicted. I don't know why they want her addicted, what they're planning to do with her with that.
Because they can't do anything bad to her, because she's
really
this
is
smart.
bad. This is bad. People who are addicted to things, it is so hard to get them to stop. Even if they want to stop, they can't.
I mean, they
stop.
can't like kill her or anything because she's so smart.
We don't. Well, I don't think they want her dead, but I don't know what they're trying to do. I have no idea what they're trying to do.
It's.
Oh my god.
Things just took a turn for.
He knows Jeff was just involved in that. He said that's your last strike. Oh my god. And he has Lynn in his grasp, so.
He literally has her in a cage.
And Jen is so blinded by what's happening. She's not seeing that she's being played by Odell. He has a copy of her.
Cage, and he's about to throw in the ocean, and she doesn't see it.
He gave her a copy of her suit and put something in her ear. Who knows what that stuff is?
Who knows if it's gonna.
She just wants to save the world, and he's using her. Anissa.
Control her or something.
Anissa's still trying to do the right thing. Jeff is trying to figure out everything, any and everything. He wants to help his city so bad, but he's under the.
They're all doing.
He wants to protect his family first and foremost, so it's hard for him to do that when there's families being threatened and they have tech to take down Metas plus a whole army. There's a resistance in Blackbird's name, and it's just a mess. Black Lightning. I'm tired. I'm so tired of all this. I just want the ASA gone. I'm tired. This episode was exhausting. I'm thinking in the end we about to have a turnaround. We about to have a turning point. You know, Odell strike a fucking again. Odell
twice with Jen and
Tired, y'all. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I just want my family united, kicking ass together, kicking crime. But
Jen with
like
her
they just.
gun.
Lynn, you mean?
Yeah.
Lynn with her shotgun. I just wanted all. That's all I wanted. That's all I ever wanted. I didn't want this. Odell is tearing this family apart.
Her suit's fire, but.
And she's the most powerful meta that we've seen so far. So if he gets her powers, if he gets her under some type of control, he has Khalil under his thumb. He has the whole goddamn cast under his thumb.
I hope he don't make them fight.
Even Tobias. Tobias, who was the most powerful character in the show, in terms of like, you know, his wealth and his power. Even Odell controls everything. Nothing happens that really Odell that he really rarely knows. Gamby is the only factor Odell can't plan for. Honestly, Odell might have been the one who tried to kill Gamby. Honestly.
Probably.
And Gamby's the only one who's not under any type of threat. And who was sneaking around and getting away with it. Henderson can't do nothing. Jeff can't do nothing. Anissa can only do so much by herself. And with the help of the...
Henderson, he's a good man.
The Sanji, I think their name are. I'm tired. That's it. Anything for you?
No.
Alright, well, let us know what you guys thought of this episode. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And
go check out our other videos.
Did you brush your teeth and get to bed?
Yeah.
Good night. I love you.
Night, love you.
This episode was a hell of a ride. They're not playing the season. The ASA has got to go. I don't know where they're gonna go, what they gotta do, but they got to get the hell up out of here. Listen, I'm tired of them. I'm tired of their bullshit. I'm tired of Odell's lies, his manipulation. I'm tired of it all. He has to go. So that's it. We'll catch y'all. Oh, Black Lightning ain't even coming next week, so we're gonna have to wait another 2 weeks. We'll see y'all, man. We'll see y'all in 2 weeks.